Hello, it's Mark from Cars and Cameras, and what you just saw was some pretty impressive footage out of this little tiny camera, the FujiFilm X-T30. And I have a little unboxing here for you. I picked up the kit with the 18 to 55 f2.8 to f4 kit lens, and it is a very impressive lens. I'm going to kind of just let the visuals on what's in the box go through and talk more about what I think about this camera. So from testing it out, I really do like it a lot. This is a great lens. If you pick up the kit, I recommend spending the extra money and getting that kit lens. It's a really impressive lens for a kit lens. It's one of the nicest kit lenses I've ever tried out. And I have to say, this camera is really impressive. You know, I do like these Fujifilm cameras with all the little dials and everything. One thing I have to say, though, this camera is really tiny. And, you know, I wouldn't say I have bigger hands, but it's just too small. So I got this grip for it, which makes it just right. And also it has, you know, protection on the other side if you mount it, on some kind of rig. But I like it just as it is right here. It feels really good in the hand, and it's a really nice camera. But, I'll let those pictures speak for themselves, that video at the beginning. It's really incredible. I mean, the dynamic range out of this camera is just blowing me away. You know, these new sensors are just incredible, and zero rolling shutter with this camera for APS-C sensor. It's zero rolling shutter. It's just really amazing. So there's my first look, guys, at the Fujifilm X-T30. I will be having more videos, showing the performance of this camera and what it can do. But so far, I'm really impressed with that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you like what you see here, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.